In fairness, dahil more than a week na akong hindi nakakapag-workout at hindi pa rin ako nakaka-recover sa aking sakit, so throwback muna tayo ng jogging namin ni Kuya Makoy.
What's up, runners? Mga ka-runners. Right now, we just came back down the hill, and currently, it doesn't smell good, honestly. That's why we stopped running, because if we kept running, we actually would have died of the smell. And now,
mana sa akin.
Okay, let's go.
Di naman halatang masyadong pagod na pagod ako dito. Napaka-steep ng hill na part na to.
we just came back up a hill again, and we can't run anymore for now. We'll just run when it's flat again.
During our jogging, kasama na rin ang bonding namin na mag-ina. Syempre, kwento siya ng mga updates sa kanya. In fairness,